All right, guys, so I finally got, most of the stuff prepped for the truck. I mean, it is 3:37 on, well, technically Monday morning now, so I gotta be up for work in like 4 hours. But I got all the bumpers all prepped, nice and smoothened out, so hopefully you can't tell if the seam was welded or if it was, bent with the kit. At least that's the goal. I had to add a little bit of filler in some spots to try and smoothen it out, but it's gonna be way better than the last time nevertheless. So it's time to spray it with some primer now. Same with the box here. It was starting to bubble up pretty bad on this side from moisture getting underneath the Bondo from whoever did the body work the last time, and then same over here. And then I rebondoed this side and I got it all filled in. So I got some sandable like filler primer that I'm gonna be spraying on probably the whole bumper, front and rear, and then just the little quarter arches on the box. And then the reason why I'm doing it so late or early in the morning, well, I mean it's late for me, is because, well, it needs to get done. Like, this is my last week. Like, I got 5 days to get this thing done or whatever. Well, technically 3 to paint it, but anyways, by the time I get home from work in like 15 hours or something, it'll be all ready to go, so I can come home. It's gonna suck, but come home, block it all out. Well, actually, I gotta get my paint supplies tomorrow and stuff, so I gotta call that in the morning. I gotta call in my weather strips, because this whole pile over here, I saved the old ones for now, but this whole pile is getting replaced. My speakers should be here, well, technically tomorrow, so on Tuesday. And yeah, so hopefully I can finish up the interior pretty much, or well, the cab of the truck and stuff, and I'll be able to finish up the interior with the speakers. And then who knows, if I have time, I might try and pull my dash insert for my grill, or not grill, but for my dash, the little cluster cover. I don't know what it's called, but if I have time, I'd like to paint that, but we'll see. But anyways, I gotta get that filler primer on these so that I can get them all blocked out tomorrow night. And then I do have to cover up like the rail of the box and do something with that, so that I don't get paint on the top there and too much on the inside. So I gotta put like some kind of piece of paper over this, and then I'm not gonna do anything to the top because I'm just gonna be trying to be careful, and it won't be much overspray, and I mean it's already pretty stained and dirty anyways, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna be careful not to get too much overspray on the inside, so then it doesn't look too bad when I'm done. If not, I can always go over it and try and paint it black on the inside or something like that. And then I might have to do something with the wheel wells, try and just cover them up quick, do a little quick something and get them covered up, and then I can always go back and paint them black or whatever. Or I might just paint them, whatever, overspray, and then clean them up, wash it out, and then paint it black later. So that might be the plan. Not doing anything with the grill for now, or the hood. Tomorrow night, well, I guess technically in 18 hours, I will be painting underneath of the hood, and then I don't know, whatever else I can, maybe the grill and stuff like that, but underneath of the hood has to get painted. And then I wait a day, and then I can flip it and paint this side. So I'm gonna paint underneath the hood tomorrow night, or whatever, tonight, like I was saying. And then who knows, maybe paint the box, just to get that out of here, or paint the bumpers, or I don't know. But I don't know, maybe even grab the little jack stands over there and prop up the grill so I can paint all of it, and just kind of have the hood like over there works, or bring it up right here or something. Who knows, guys? Maybe I'll try and paint it all tomorrow night, but I don't know, it's gonna be hard to paint the bumpers because I might have to paint one at a time, because originally I was just gonna hang it, and like I could put bolts through here and hang it, but I don't know, maybe I'll have to do each side on their own for the bumpers, like the hood. But anyways, I'm gonna get what I can painted tonight and then figure it out from there. So I will see you guys once it's all painted. All right guys, so here's the setup that I'm working with for painting all my parts. They are all prepped, cleaned, and are ready to be sprayed. So, you know, they're kind of close here, you know, a little crammed in. There's just a few minor areas that I can't really get to, but like for the rear bumper here, like I'm pretty sure it tucks in far enough underneath the bed of the truck to where you don't really have to, like I'm not too worried about that little spot right there. And the back of it, like, okay, hardly anyone will notice that. And then same with up here, the mounts right there. That's the only way to hold it, and it looks really nice. Like you basically want to paint all your parts the way that they'll be on the truck, but obviously it's pretty hard to do that. But like body shops have a like a panel holder or something like that. Like my rear tailgate's upside down right now, but like this works out really good. Otherwise I'd have to paint it like my hood. But tomorrow's my last day of painting, and then my dad's selling the air compressor, so you know I gotta, you know, get it all done when I can, as soon as I can. So at least this way all this stuff will be done, which is, you know, basically all the body panels and parts. And then I just got these 6 little parts, and then my mirrors. So I got mirrors, wiper arms, door handles, and hood hinges. And then I gotta flip my hood over and then paint the top side of my hood. And that's about it for parts for now. Later on I might paint like my dash insert, and I definitely want to paint like headlights, taillights, that stuff, paint match those. But for now, this is what I'm working with. And I actually ordered upper control arms for the truck today, so I might have to paint those because they're red. So I don't know what color I'm going to paint them yet, but I guess we'll see them when they get here. But other than that, I'm gonna get to spraying, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right guys, so it has actually been a while since I've picked up the camera, but as you guys can see, here is my one truck, and you guys just caught a glimpse of it. So I got the blue truck all put back together, and it is time to get her trailered out of here. So here it is. So it's all loaded up. I still got to strap it down, and got the big old beefy wheels up in the back. It just barely fit in between the trailer with these wheels on it, as you can see. Honestly, I don't know, I might have popped one, but I think that they're fine. I don't know, but they don't really hold air that great anyways. I mean, I got them all for 40 bucks, so I don't really care about them. Just like the tailgate's all messed up now. It's got another dent in it. Actually, I didn't show you guys this, but here's a video of me talking about it. Well, as soon as I stepped out the door, I heard a loud bang, and now the tailgate's on the ground. Well, the good thing is that it was stood up all nice and perfect when I painted it, but it was where my front wheels are, and I had to pull this in for the night. And yeah, she fell over, and she's dented right there. And just pick this bitch up. She's still a little wet, and yeah, she's cleaning the floor. So awesome. All right, so here's the aftermath of the tailgate. So landed in a bunch of dirt, but as you can see right here, it's dented. This pinch right there is all dented. So yeah, you can see the dent right there. And then you got dented right there on the top of that crease and the bottom. So right there, and then big ass scratch all down it. So great. So yeah, it fell over when I was painting, and then I got this dent today, and this little thing that's down here that's supposed to hold the tailgate, the piece on the tailgate's smaller, so if you pull them and release it, this side's gonna come crashing down because only that side's holding it on. And I got a bunch of other parts in the back and stuff. I think I'm gonna throw the fenders back there and hope that, because the tires, they don't catch air and fly out, but it's gonna be kind of risky. You know, I'm pretty sure I actually have room in the cab, and so I could throw them in there. Because I don't think I have any room in the back of my truck anymore. That's pretty full with stuff too, but I got everything for the truck and all my garage stuff and everything picked up, so now it should just be my room stuff. And then we're moving on to the next chapter. So, well, I wonder what that wire's from. Probably from scrap and stuff, but yeah, it should be all good to go. And just gotta get her strapped down, pick up those fenders, and then that should be about everything. I wonder if this is my old Posi actually that's over here, or what this is. No, I think that's my old Posi. It's kind of chewed up there. Oh yeah, she's pretty rough. Must be the old one that was in the blue truck. But yep, I'm gonna get her all finished up there. She's squatted a little bit right now, but might have to do something about raising up the rear of it to level it out or something later on, but we'll have to see. But I'll catch you guys at the next destination. All right guys, so we made it to our destination here. Didn't get pulled over, and looks like the straps held up, and my little tie-offs didn't move, so time to get it all unloaded, and then I'm sure you guys will see it shortly when I start doing more stuff to it.